So hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I actually never thought I'll make a video about this particular topic, but the scenario we guys are facing here in India, or at least here in Mumbai, I think I should make a vlog about it. And this particular topic has to do nothing with the riding experience of individual, but actually I received a comment from a fellow biker as he want me to cover this particular topic as how to ride in potholes or how to deal with them. क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट जो है वो इतनी सपोर्टिव लग नहीं रही है। बहुत सारे जनों ने अपनी जानें गंवा दी पॉटहोल्स के लिए, और गवर्नमेंट ये काम कर रही है कि जो मर रहा है इंसान उसी के ऊपर ब्लेम डालना है कि भाई तूने अच्छे से बाइक चलाई नहीं इसीलिए तू मर गया। अभी ये एक बात है कि लाइसेंस अथॉरिटी जो इंडिया की है वो अगर एक इंसान को लाइसेंस दे रही है और उस इंसान ने अल्कोहल का कंज्यूम नहीं किया, कंजम्पशन नहीं किया है, अपने पूरे सेंसेस में वो व्हीकल चला रहा है, उसके बाद भी अगर एक्सीडेंट हो गया जो ख़राब कंडीशन है रोड की उसके कारण, तो इसीलिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल कौन होगा? गवर्नमेंट या फिर लाइसेंस देने वाली जो आरटीओ अथॉरिटी होती है वो? मेरे ख्याल से आरटीओ अथॉरिटी और गवर्नमेंट दोनों भी इक्वली रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, क्योंकि जितने बेवकूफ़ों के साथ मैं डील करता हूँ अपना डेली कम्यूट करते समय, और उनके पास लाइसेंस कहाँ से आता है वो एक क्वेश्चन मेरे माइंड में हमेशा घूमते रहता है कि भाई इसको अक्ल ही नहीं दी है रोड पे कैसे चलाना है। भाई तुझे लाइसेंस दिया किसने? इसका उदाहरण मैं आपको दूंगा एक डेमो करके अभी। और ये देखिए बेवकूफ़ लड़की जो अपना मोबाइल फ़ोन यूज़ कर रही है। तो लाइसेंस प्रोसीजर जो टेस्ट देने और लेने का जो सिलसिला है वो थोड़ा और स्ट्रिक्ट किया जाए, जिसकी वजह से बेवकूफ़ों को लाइसेंस ना मिले और जो अच्छा चलाते हैं सिर्फ उनको लाइसेंस मिले और परमिट मिले कि हाँ भाई तू ही रोड पे अच्छे से चलाया कर। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, one thing for the government officials is that we do get our driving licenses from the RTO, which has the authority to give driving licenses to individuals. So before you actually blame individuals, I want officials to know that either you can improve the test, the driving test, make it more difficult so that there is no need to blame individuals as he or she died just because of the potholes and lack of driving or riding experience. Make the learning period instead of 6 months to 6 years, and that will solve the problem, as no one will point a finger on the government as the roads are not good, and because of the roads the people are dying. So people will blame the RTO authority as who allots the license, because the person who died was riding in all his senses or her senses. So first thing first, you see this pothole. Oh yeah, wonderful pothole I would say. So before you spot a pothole, make sure you reduce your speed to 10 or 5 kilometers per hour, and no matter on which road you are riding, even if you are riding on a highway, 5 किलोमीटर 10 किलोमीटर का स्पीड कर लो and it will solve the problem. And before you actually reduce your speed, make sure that पीछे से कोई आ रहा है क्या, और अगर कोई आ रहा हो तो कुछ निशानी करो यार, उसको बताओ कि हाँ भाई आगे पॉटहोल है, तुम भी स्पीड कम कर लो तो अच्छा होगा। तो मेक सम हैंड मूवमेंट, गेस्चर्स एज इफ one hand down and then you know, like doing this or doing this, just to let him know that there is a pothole and you better reduce your speed. Second and most important thing you need to do is look into both the mirrors. Okay, so if there is nobody in your mirrors, you can, you know, change your lane. But if there is somebody who's coming from behind, like the biker, you need to reduce your speed at any point of time. I mean, you just simply can't change the lane. If you do so just to avoid the pothole, no matter if it's deep, like a huge pothole or a small pothole, you might end up with a crash with the vehicle coming from your behind. So while, you know, going through the pothole, make sure that you hold or grab your handlebar firmly. If you're holding your handlebar with one hand, I'll not recommend you doing that, because what it tends to do or it will do is पूरा बाइक हिल जाएगा यार. Oh, squid! A squid breaking signals, riding on Activa. So those were the tips as how you can, you know, improve your riding without, you know, killing yourself while riding a motorcycle in Mumbai or near Mumbai. I hope you found this video helpful. There is no U-turn, but I'll take a right. Okay, I am a motovlogger, I should not do this. I'll go ahead and take a U-turn ahead. So yeah, that's pretty much it about today's vlog. I hope to see you guys in my next vlog. Up till then, this is Ravitab signing off. Ride safe and don't be a squid. And this bike umbrella is trending, you know. Even I made a review about it. If you haven't watched that already, the link is there in the description or on my channel. I'll not put it in the description. So watch it before buying. Ride safe and don't be a squid. Thanks for watching.